It's not an approach I often take, and while it has a certain elegance, it's not the standard approach to creative work. It is, however, squarely in the vein of my content, and while it's often misunderstood, it is nonetheless beautiful, at least in my opinion. Before we get started, if you can help me spread this content around a bit by liking and sharing my videos, I'd greatly appreciate it. The channel has been growing steadily over the last couple of years. With your help, I think we can get to the point where I can create videos more consistently and provide even more interesting and helpful content. If you'd like to get your hands on the Fusion 360 files I develop and use on the channel, check out my Patreon with the link in the description. It's just $1 a month to support the channel and a great way to learn and get started in CNC Luthier. Now where were we? Oh yeah, the beauty and elegance in manufacturing? I know, it's not what you were expecting. But I think there's something here worth thinking about. Something we should explore. I try to show what I feel is the creative view of this craft. I personally enjoy content based around people working, and I find an intrinsic beauty to the products produced as well as the maker's movements, and by extension, the machines they operate. As I explore different makes and models of instruments, I find a unique opportunity to ponder the reasons and justifications of these varied and intriguing features. This model and its predecessors are particularly appealing to me. If it's not obvious by now, I revere symmetrical designs. I think this aspect brings a classical air to a design, and this model displays it in droves. I often take notice of the reactions when I show someone an instrument for the first time. I find more often than not, a symmetrical design catches the eye immediately. Modern instruments have moved away from classical symmetry, for the most part. Still, from time to time, something like the ES335, and by extension, the Trini Lopez comes along. And I don't think this is by accident or chance. The symmetry in these designs almost assures their appeal. It's almost inevitable that we take advantage of this built-in human complexity in our designs. With both the ES335 and the Trini Lopez, the top and back are symmetric, as well as the profile from side to side. This makes a lot of sense to me from a design aspect as well as a manufacturing point of view. The jigs and molds are greatly simplified and half in number of other models. This vacuum jig can be used for both the top and back of the instrument. It's a definitive study in symmetry. And there will be many more examples to come in this intriguing build. Thanks for watching.